Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, making a wonderful smoked bacon with some smoked paprika, very smoky, creamy, beautiful pasta dish. Really easy. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using today. So at the back here, I've got some bacon. You can use any type of bacon that you want, smoky or non-smoky or any sort of cut. Cut it nice and small. Onions sliced, I'm using a red onion. Again, you could be using a different colour if you wanted. Some frozen garden peas here. Got them out of the freezer, give them a little wash. They're ready to go. Garlic, quite a lot of garlic in this one. Really love that flavour to come out. And then our two spices and herbs here. I've got oregano, and here I've got some smoked paprika, which I really love in this. You could be playing around with that and changing that if you wanted. Here, our cream. This is what we call a thick cooking cream in this part of the world. More of a heavy cream for you guys in the States, I think. It's really quite simple. Now what I want you to do is get your pasta cooked. Choose any pasta you want. I'm using a nice small fusilli, but anything will work at all. Get that cooked because we're not going to concentrate on that. We're going to concentrate on making this sauce. Okay, super easy this one. Got a touch of olive oil in there. You could be using something different if you wanted. We're going to drop in our chopped garlic, our sliced onions, and our bacon. On a medium heat, we're going to go with this one for about 4 to 5 minutes. Stirring pretty much all the time. And look at that, wonderful. Got some nice crispy bacon there. Really happy with that. Now let's get in those peas, like I say, from the freezer. Our herb, which is oregano, and then I'm adding that smoked paprika, which I think is really wonderful. Black pepper. Give this a mix. Now you could be adding some salt to this, but be careful on what bacon you've used because it could already be very, very salty indeed. I'm not going to do that. I might just try it at the end and see. Okay, 2 minutes, high heat. Throwing this around in the pan. That looks amazing. I'm loving this. That's fantastic. I'm going to lower this heat down and now get in our cream. Like I said, we call this a thick cooking cream our end. Let's work that in. That'll melt in beautifully. Now if you wanted, you could be adding some Parmesan or some other cheese. I'm not actually going to add any cheese to this. This is going to be beautiful just as it is for me. But you go ahead and play around with that if you want. Lowish heat. Let's let this go just for a couple of minutes. We're going to be stirring this now to kind of get all of those lovely flavours into our cream sauce. Lovely. Really good. Okay, now we're going to get our pasta in. Like I said, I've already cooked my pasta. In that goes. Change the spoon, and with the heat on, just for like 2 minutes, just want to run some heat through the sauce and the pasta, bring it together, stirring it beautifully so we get a nice covering of the sauce, the bacon, the onions, the garlic, the herbs, the spices, all over our pasta. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go, done. I really love this one, super smoky with the paprika and the bacon that I used actually, which is a smoky one. Really easy, hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we will see you soon. Lots of love.